Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So per usual, I want to start off by sharing with you guys my super cute top. I'm going to pop it up right here. Yep, it's not a surprise. I also got it from Loft and I just love gingham print. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but I just love it. And I love the lavender shade. I love the square neck top, and it's just really cute, and I think it's perfect for the warmer weather, and I don't know, it just gives off a lot of like summer, spring kind of vibes. But yeah, so with that said, I want to share with you guys this look I put together today. It is a lilac, kind of like smoky eye, along with, I want to share with you guys how I did this braided headband. Well, it's like a bubble braided headband, and I think it gives off like Y2K vibes. I was kind of inspired by many different things. I noticed a lot of like lilac eye looks I've been seeing recently. Olivia Rodrigo at the Met Gala, she looked gorgeous, so I was definitely really inspired by that. And also, I recently got a new makeup palette. So I got the Too Faced That's My Jam mini palette, and it's not a new palette. I did get it for a really good deal. So Macy's will often have these like a 50% off makeup item event, kind of like the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, but I think Macy's is called like Macy's Glam event or something like that. But every day they have like different products that are 50% off. So that particular day they had Too Faced mini palettes that are 50% off. So I kind of swooped in and got this palette, and overall I think it's a really cute and pretty palette. I personally love like the chromatic shades, and I use them in this eye look, and it actually smells like jam. Smells like really good actually. I feel like a lot of Too Faced palettes, they smell like Michaels when they're supposed to smell like different like scents, like cinnamon or like gingerbread. I don't know if it's weird that I'm sniffing my palettes though. But anyways, yeah, so I want to share with you guys the combination of the hair and the makeup today. So yeah, I want to share this look with you guys, and especially I know a lot of you guys are probably already going back into the office, going out more. So I think it's a relatively easy way to kind of look like you did a lot with your hair and put a lot of effort in, as well as kind of like spice up your everyday eye look. Because I know for me, I stick to browns and neutrals almost like all the time. So this is a nice way to like break it up a bit. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in how I create this lilac smoky eye look along with this bubble braided headband, stay tuned and watch the tutorial. Okay, so first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done. So the next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Then I am going to take a step I've been doing in a lot of my videos, which is taking the eyeshadow palette I'm using today, an angled brush, and I'm going to go in with a shade. So I'm going to go in with Jam on it and kind of like sketch out the angle at which I'm going to be placing the tape. And then I'm going to place the tape. Toast and place that all over my lid. edges with jam on it. So smoking out the edges. And then this is a fun part, I'm going to take my finger and go in with Violet Femmes, this chromatic purple shade. I just find applying it with your finger is just a lot richer, the color. And this is just going to add that really pretty, sparkly purple. And then I am going to be going in with, I think this is called Pickup Limes, another really shimmery, pretty shade, and just highlight the inner corners. As well as my brow bone. I'm just going to go and blend everything out some more. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw an extended wing. So I'm going to take my Pretty Easy liquid lining pen. Go ahead and add some of these shades to the lower lash line. So definitely I'm going to add in Jam on it as well as Violet Femmes. So now I'm going to pop on my falsies. So again, using my Idole natural lashes. Going to go ahead and apply some mascara to the lower lashes. And then now I'm going to go ahead and dust on some blush. And then dust on some highlighter. For the lips today, I am actually thinking to do a combination. So I'm actually going to use my Lancome Absolute Rouge in Rose Amnesia. Going to go over that with my lip gloss. I forget what this is called, but I definitely got it on discount, and I think it kind of adds to this whole like Y2K lilac look. And yeah, there you have it. This is the finished look. I think it's a pretty lilac eye look that you can rock going out with friends or like music festivals, or even just like spicing up your everyday routine. But don't go anywhere because I am going to come back with a hair tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys the hair tutorial. It's kind of like a bubble braid band. I think it's definitely really cute and easy. So okay, what I'm first going to do is part my hair in the middle or as close to the middle as possible. And then I'm going to select out a strand like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some clear elastic and basically I'm going to tie it off at the top. And I just like making it rather tight. I just think it looks neater in the end. Okay, so after that, I am going to go ahead and take another elastic, and I'm going to kind of integrate hair as I go down the strand. So I just integrate some hair, tie it off. going to repeat the same process to the other side. And then once you're done, you want to go ahead and, well, first I want to tie up my hair, or like pull back the strands that you weren't using. And then you want to take these two strands and you want to kind of hide it and tie it behind. And the tighter you make this, the tighter your overall headband is, and I think it just looks neater. Okay, and after you're done, you can pretty much just let down the rest of your hair, and there you have it. You have this really cute, effortless, bubble braided headband. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lilac smoky eye plus this Y2K inspired bubble braided headband. So hope you guys got inspired, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching.